Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Robert needs to move. Where'd I go?
Isn't it supposed to like pop? No, never mind.
I can put you on this phone.
You can do what?
You could do what?
That it?
Huh?
Panoramic.
What the heck is that?
It takes a picture on panoramic. If you set it on panoramic and you move your...
Oh. That hurt my ears.
Oh, snap.
Wow!
I'm gonna lay down and do these.
Oh, that's it? Mom's here.
Bit back yet, thing.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, that light's bright.
Just blow up a car.
Nice. She ran over something.
Yeah. Let's go see Olin and see if he can.
Down right now. In the house. I'm not telling you again. The next kid that gets up goes home. I just got done smoking. Fireworks are very dangerous.
Grandma, here's some medicine.
All right, you put it in there, please. Egan, get back here. That way. Get up again, you're going in the house. I know it's something that people brought it up.
Do you think someone can jump that high?
Jason, move.
He's gonna get his head blown up.
That's what he thinks. Because Grandma even said...
Grandma said... What did she say? Is that a smiley face?
The frog.
That looks like a smiley face. That's what it looks like, I think.
My...
I thought Uncle David
Oh
fell.
snap.